Hi everybody, my name is Sierra. I'm one of the dietitians with Tribal Health. And today I'm going to be doing a short demo on infused waters and how to make your own soda at home. So I'm doing this topic because it's Heart Health Month, and one way that we can eat heart healthy is to reduce the amount of added sugars that we eat or drink. And so added sugars or syrups that are added to our food during processing. These are different from natural sugars. So natural sugars occur in foods like fruit or vegetables or milk. Those food products have sugar in them naturally. However, other foods like ice cream and candy and soda, those foods have sugar added to them during processing. And we want to try and limit how many added sugars we eat or drink, because eating too many or drinking too many added sugars can lead to health problems like diabetes, heart disease, kidney disease, as well as inflammation. And most people, they get a lot of the added sugars in their diet from drinking soda. So that's why today I'm focusing on beverages, so infused waters and making your own soda. So water is the best alternative to soda. It's an essential nutrient, meaning we have to drink water in order to survive, just like many plants and animals. And water helps our body function correctly. It makes sure that our blood functions correctly, that we're digesting our food, that our food and the nutrients are able to get into our bloodstream and move throughout our body where our body needs it. And we lose a lot of water just doing day-to-day activities, from breathing, from sweating or exercising, as well as going to the bathroom. And so many people think, oh, exercising, you need to drink something like Gatorade. Well, sports drinks like Gatorade or Powerade, those drinks typically do contain some added sugar. And so it's better, instead of drinking Gatorade, to drink water and maybe eat a piece of fruit or have some infused water. So most people need to drink about 8 cups or 64 ounces of water a day. However, that can come in a variety of forms, because we get water not only from just drinking water, but also from eating fruits and vegetables or foods that have water in them. And I would say, unless you're exercising for more than an hour and really sweating, you probably don't need to drink any Gatorade. Just plain water and maybe a fruit or vegetable as a snack would suffice to replace those electrolytes you might lose during exercise. Also, if you're drinking soda for the caffeine content, there's other ways to sort of boost your energy levels. One way is by eating more fruits and vegetables. Also exercising on a regular basis, as well as making sure you're getting a good night's sleep every night. So I know Dr. Fox has been holding some sleep health different lessons and online lessons, so you can check out her stuff. But other things you can do is limit screen time before bed. Having a regular sleep schedule can also help with that. So the infused waters. So when you're making an infused water, basically it's just water and whatever ingredients you want to add to it. So the ones I have here, this first one is cucumber and mint. This next one is lemon slices, some frozen berries. You might get some frozen blueberries or berries with your commodities food package, as well as ginger. And this last one here is orange slices, frozen berries again, and some lavender. So cucumber and mint, that's sort of a light and refreshing drink. Cucumber has a lot of water in it. It has a high water content, and it also has a lot of fiber. So when you're done drinking your cucumber and mint, make sure you eat the cucumber slices to get the fiber. And mint has some anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. So that's a great benefit of eating or drinking infused water with mint. This next one, the lemon, the ginger, and the frozen berries. So frozen berries, or just berries in general, have a lot of antioxidants as well, which help protect our heart and prevent cancer. The lemon is a great source of vitamin C, as is the orange in this one. And vitamin C helps keep our gums healthy, it helps our wounds heal, and it helps us absorb iron. So if we're not getting enough iron in our diet, we can also feel really tired and anemic. So having citrus fruit when you eat a food that has iron in it can help you absorb that iron. And ginger has been used for centuries medicinally in other cultures and like Eastern cultures. And so ginger also has some anti-cancer properties and heart health properties. It also can help with if you're feeling nauseous or feeling like you're gonna vomit, it has sort of a soothing effect on our digestive tract. So that's a great benefit of ginger as well. And then we have here our berries and orange slices and lavender. And so this is a delicious drink. Like I said, the berries have antioxidants, and that lavender is gonna have a lot of great anti-anxiety and calming properties. Just make sure when you, if you're gonna use lavender in your infused drinks, that you're buying lavender that is meant for baking or that's meant to be eaten, because there's a lot of lavender products out there that are just supposed to go on your skin or that you smell but you're not supposed to consume. So just make sure you're buying lavender that is meant to be consumed or cooked with. Okay, and so for our demo here, I'm going to show you how to do a homemade soda. So I just bought some plain sparkling water from Super One. So we're gonna start with that, and it's been refrigerated, so it's already cold. Don't fizz all over the place. So I'm just gonna pour that in here. And then, if you guys saw my last cooking demo, I made like a berry sauce to go on top of the salmon. I just had some fresh berries in a pot with a little bit of water and honey, and I just cooked it down until it turned into a sauce. So I'm actually going to use that sauce for this homemade soda, but I also bought, just to show, you can use 100% fruit juice or 100% fruit juice concentrate. So either like in the bottle or in the little like frozen cylinders, you can use that, which you might get with your commodities food package, to flavor the water as well. So if you don't want to make this like berry sauce, you can definitely just use fruit juice and just put in like a couple of spoonfuls. And then I'm just gonna add some more frozen berries to it. They can kind of act like ice cubes to keep it cold. But you can make your own ice cubes too, infused ice cubes. So if you just take whatever herbs or spices or even fruits chopped up and put it in an ice cube tray with water and just freeze it, that's a fun way to incorporate, you know, some colder elements to your drinks. And so it's really simple, just the fizzy water, whatever flavor you want. And these are just examples too. You can add so many different things. You could do carrots, you could do peaches, plums, kiwi, like whatever fruit you want to do. Jalapenos even, like just go crazy with all the creative different ingredients that you can use, as well as herbs. You could use basil or thyme or cilantro, rosemary. So there's all different flavors that you could play around with. It's fun to do, especially with kids. They can come up with different ingredient combinations. And yeah, it's a great way to stay hydrated and get some wonderful vitamins and minerals at the same time. And just remember, once you're done drinking these, you can eat the fruit or vegetable that's in there. And so for our infused waters, I prepared these a couple days ago and let them sit in the fridge overnight for 2 days. You can keep infused waters or like your homemade soda in the fridge for about 3 days. It'll keep for about 3 days. But if you're making it at room temperature, you're just gonna wanna make sure that it sits for a few hours to really infuse. Because you can see these ones that sat for a couple days in the fridge, they turn this nice beautiful color from the fruits that are in there. Okay, so that's all I had for you today. Please let me know if you try out the recipes and you like them, or if you have any suggestions on how to, or recipes that you want to see, or different ideas you have for infused drinks you've had. I'd be delighted to hear what you do. Yeah, and hopefully in the spring I can go out and forage for some different ingredients, because you can also do things like the Douglas fir tips. You can do like stinging nettle tea. You can do tea with huckleberry leaves or like dandelion. So there's a lot of natural and wild plants too that you can make drinks with. So look forward to that in the spring and summer. Thanks, guys.